welcome back to my channel, Nico's Neighborhood. So now today, we will be working on the Giulia Quadrifoglio. Let's get started. Today, we will be installing these wheel spacers for the Giulia Quadrifoglio. They will help with the appearance. So, to fit the wheel spacers in, we have to find the jack point. It's a little square, and then we have to jack it up. But also, before we jack it up, we have to find the correct size to unscrew the screws. And those look really small, so we gotta find a really small. Okay, so the correct number was 17. Now we can jack up the car. So before I put the wheel spacer on, you should, if there's dust, you should scrape off the dust if you have a little brush. So we're gonna put the spacer on now. But you see, out of these holes, there's one little hole, and that is going to go on the part that sticks out. And it should go on nicely because we cleaned it. So there are two different sizes here. One small one, one big one. So we're going to use a big one. We've installed the wheel spacers on the front driver's side and the back driver's side. I'll show you the difference. Come on. So come here. See, look. This is with no spacer. And if you follow me, over here has a spacer. So, we installed all the wheel spacers and it looks great. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures on the Giulia Quadrifoglio where we install more stuff like carbon fiber. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click that like button, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and comment. Bye! See you next time!